Great location. Terrace Gardens on 6th boasts a walk score of 97 and a transit score of 86. Whether you are looking for shopping, nightlife, arts and culture, or fine dining, everything you need is in your backyard. The C train, LRT, stops directly behind us at the 7th Street station, and you can ride for free anywhere in the downtown zone. The Plus 15 Skyway network is available just behind our building or directly across the street. This extensive 18 kilometers enclosed pedestrian walkway is one of the largest in the world. It connects offices, enclosed shopping centers as well as Calgary's flagship department stores. We are within walking distance of Safeway, Co-op, K's Market, a number of convenience stores, Eau Claire Market, and the Core Shopping Center, with over 160 shops. Our warm, inviting suites have been remodeled with luxury vinyl plank flooring and ceramic tiles. Flexible/early move-in dates may be available.